Well, hello friends, it's you see me again. It's John Neal here. It's Monday the 27th of June 2022. Hey, I've got a new intro. Itching as I was to try out my new Mavic Mini 3 drone again, this morning it was wet and horrible, as you can see from these clips. Umbrellas and yeah, terrible. But midday it's cleared up, so here I am. And this is I tried last time to have the drone follow me down this road. It's long, it's straight, there's not a lot of traffic, so it's perfect for what I want to do. I seem to now find out that the drone probably wasn't quite close enough to me. See, this is the advantage apparently of reading the manual. Who would have thought it? So here we go. Got the drone locked onto me with trace and follow behind, but I've got to keep turning around to have a look to check that it's all okay and have a quick word with it. Say, you know, stick to the task. There's a tree on the left here and it has got avoidance systems on it, but I don't want to push that. But yeah, it seems to be doing the job. So now I've set the drone to follow me from the side. It's called Trace Parallel. And I don't like the shadow in the frame, but there you go. And it's following me from the front, which is not quite what it's supposed to do. So I've stopped to make a few adjustments and let's see what happens this time. Well, at least the shadow is out of the frame. It always keeps me in the frame, and I think it's a little bit more to the side at the moment. Oh no, directly underneath for now. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's nicely to the side. Maybe could do with being a little bit further away. Otherwise, quite successful. So just to finish off, I'm going to get the drone higher up, out of the way, and bring it into land and set off home and see what we've got. Well, there we are. Done it. And let's see what the footage looks like when I get back. It seemed to go okay, but I know there is a reason why it won't go sideways, and I can't remember what it was, so I have to look that one up. Well, all praise to the Mavic Mini users page on Facebook, because somebody got back to me and said that, and I do remember now, I think, that when you set it on trace, it has no detection of obstacles left and right, so that motion on the controls is disabled. Right, I think I've got it. But I took it up and yeah, it wouldn't go sideways. So it's just going to take a long time to play about with it to get it right. Still, at least the weather's changed. I just took a beautiful 360 panoramic view. They really are good fun. I don't know how that will come over on YouTube, but we'll try. But very good. Okay, thanks a lot. Do pass a comment and do let me know what you think of the new intro. I can still change it. It's not finished yet. I've only just put it together this morning, so I'm still thinking about it. Yeah. Anyway, see you in the next video. No, you will see me.